Sa social media andito sa event natin.
Yes, hello! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat na nandito. Happy sisters ko, ha? Hello, at sa nanonood online ba?
Alright, now Paolo, we want to hear from you.
Yes, I just want to say good afternoon to everyone. Thank you everyone for your time. We're as excited as you guys perform for our Filipino community here tomorrow.
So yun, sino gusto mo dyan to ask questions?
Punta ako
Alis pala tayo.
Parang ayaw ko naman. Parang nagsisi po kayo.
Parang ikaw, treat the princess of Dubai.
Narinig kayo. Ako lang. Welcome po. Marami pong bandang people dito. Diba? Yan lang ba? Tanong ko lang po, for Miss Kim, São Paulo, Foreman, Arden. Sa inyo po, syempre po, diba, kayo po ang tinaguri ang the dancing princess ng JPSCM. How do you pressure it? Ano ba yung mga preparations ka before a performance?
Siyempre, pagsaluhin yung sayaw, alam mo mabuti. Pero at the same time, nakakabalik pa rin every time na sumasayaw ka on stage. Pero ang preparation is, ano lang, dapat maayos lang yung isip mo na you're in front of many people and I have to do my best.
Yes. Kasi kilala po kayo sa mga, hindi lang po yung mga hip-hop, talagang lumalambito po ano, di ba? Gusto ko din po yung kaso nahulog ako.
Sabihin ko sa sabi ko next. Or showtime gusto mo.
Ay, sige po. Choosing pa, chay.
Pero dito daw yung talent.
Joke lang. Kinakakanta po kayo.
Hindi naman. Ikaw lang.
Kung alam nila kinakabahan po talaga ako.
Ay, oo naman nakakabay.
Okay. Ano naman po, Sir Paul? Ang tanong ko naman po sa inyo, bakit po ang ganyan mo sa akin? Tanong lang yun, ito po ay tanong nga lang yun.
Hindi naman pagaling, pero alam niyo naman sa isang serye o pelikula lagi may script na sinusundan na syempre may mga sinusundan rin na directions from the director, so sinusundan lang namin yung pace, tapos tinatry lang namin i-enhance, like for example with me and Kim for Lindang and Secretary Kim, may constant effort lagi to make the scene work.
And then po yung second question po, ano po yung, kapatid ko pa, ano po yung pagkakaiba niya itong proyekto niyo sa mga iba niyo po yung proyekto?
Ako parang sabi ko nga sa taas, nakasabi ko lang na parang, ano ba yun, parang puro rom-com na yung ginagawa ko ngayon, parang nakakapanibago. Tapos, ayun, sinabi ni Kim na,
Sabi niya kasi siyang serious. It's about time, di ba? Parang lagi naman siya rom pang iba mo.
Yes!
sakto lang, sakto lang.
Mas bagay daw
Iba-iba naman.
Ano po, mas bagay po kayo nung nakapit.
Palit tayo.
Hindi na ako magtato. Thank you.
Okay. Yan ang outfit.
Ikaw, JP, ang damo na. Yung level ni Kim, JP.
Hi Kim, hi Paolo. Welcome to Dubai.
Hello.
We are from Expat Media. We're very happy to see you here in Dubai. Actually, mga fans niyo, parang nag-message sa amin. Asking, kailan mo talaga sila go on stage? In fact, one to even reach out to us to say they really want to book the tickets for the program. So we can see you tomorrow. So that just shows us how big of a fan that we have here in the Philippines as well. And speaking of your fan drama, one of the questions that we actually wanted to ask you was about your love scene that you're on screen love scene. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo magpakinig sa tao? Hindi actually hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka nagdalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung anong, bakit. Maraming support ka sa pero sobrang kami thankful na nag-inspire namin sila and kinikinig sila sa aming dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sinusupport sa amin.
And to add what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Yunnan, no one knew about Sectim or anything yet. So lagi kong kausap si Kim, parang may performance tayo. Parang paano natin papakita sa audience para abangan nila yung Yunnan. Paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions. For tomorrow, I think we're doing. I'm doing 3 songs, and we're doing 2 duets. I don't think maybe for the Kim Pals who have been following us. Thank you. I don't think they'll see anything new because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus. Unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabigyan or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow.
Ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao, and then go to the chika with the audience and everything, and then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai, and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana marami makapunta bukas. So, sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat bukas. Tingnan natin.
Hi, Ping Pao. My name is JD from the Global Filipino Magazine. Welcome to Dubai. Here's a question po. Since after Bali Fiesta, sila Piolo, Marlies, and Kenneth, I think ang mga ka-global natin sa itong kailangan, they've all been waiting for sa Ping Pao. Yes. And the long wait is finally over. Our question, okay, our question po is, what is next after wrong with Secretary Kim? And will ever be considered for Kim Pao to do a movie project here, or will be shot here in Dubai? Kung possible.
Ano na nga yung ito yung ginawa dati sa...
Dubai.
Dubai, shot Dubai.
Love or money?
Na Angelica and
Coco.
But for another project or a movie project, probably there's a strong possibility that you guys will strong possibility pa. Di ba 100%? And as for, parang yun po muna ko na, parang we have a lot of local shows also in the Philippines this year to get, parang mapasaya rin yung mga ibang kababayan natin sa ibang parte ng Pilipinas. And hopefully, we get to perform for other Filipino communities in other countries. Isa sa mga favorite ko talaga nagpo-perform sa ibang bansa dahil ano siya parang melting pot ng buong Pilipinas. Kumbaga, sa Luzon, sa Visayas, sa Mindanao, so lahat nakakasalamuha mo na ako sa Luzon. So, it's a big and a pleasure to perform for kababayan and our community.
Thank you, Kim Pao.
Hi po. Question po, as an aspiring content creators or artist po, like, paano po mag-start? Paano mag-build yung confidence sa pagiging actress?
Well, I think we all have the same problem when we start, parang we don't have the confidence. But, you know, with repetition and knowledge, parang comes confidence. If you know what you're doing and you're confident about, if you're sure about what your content is or what your talent is and what you want to showcase, then maybe you can start there and slowly build your confidence. Pero ako hanggang ngayon, parang kabado pa rin ako sa mga yan. Pero, you know, just parang kumbaga sa pag-arte, we have a material, we know our environment, just be familiarize yourself with, you know, parang, si Jake, parang favorite yung sinasabi, big point, favorite yung sinasabi yung repetition. It actually helps. Parang rehearsing with yourself, rehearsing the lines, rehearsing the dance, rehearsing your skills, parang doon naaayos, doon mo nakikita. And then you could always record yourself also to see paano portray sa others.
Ako naman, siguro the simplest way to explain yung tanong mo is just to keep on trying. Kasi masyado namang malawak yung mundo ng social media or masyado malawak yung mundo ng showbiz world. Kung saan ka yung, alam mo yung missing puzzle or kung saan ka fit na fit, dun mo aralin at dun ka gagaling talaga.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Our next question will come from
Kai.
last two questions. Nasa likod. Good head up.
Kaya po,
May hapon siya, di ba?
Yes, siya.
Naghan mo dire? Hala, Bisaya ang titaan eh. Tagalog, dili ka siyang sabog. Sabog ka.
question. Meron ka bang danggit yan na
Dili niya ko kasulod din eh. Iba na.
Ang question po ngayon is, I assume na first time yung kaya dito sa Dubai. So, ang question ko is, ano yung pinaka-lupuan mong nangyayari sa class sa Kalayaan Dubai?
Actually, Kalayaan event, syempre, daghan. Bisaya o Tagalog, ako lang. Syempre, looking forward sa maraming Pinoy na makikita namin and magsasayahan tayo, magtatawanan and parang kami ni Pao, parang second time namin magkasama na nag-perform dito sa Dubai. Yung una, hindi pa talaga kami magkakilala. So, para after 9 years, nandito ulit kami to perform in front of our kababayan. So, exciting.
We look forward for tomorrow. Siguro what I said earlier, sa melting pot lagi yung mga ganitong events. Nakakakuha kasi parang alam naman natin sa kahit sa ating lahi or hindi sa ating minsan watak-watak tayo. Yung mga ganitong events yun, pinipot-ipot natin sa atin para sa unity natin. So everyone united. Also networking with each other. So I'm looking forward to it.
Last question.
Kahit
Ayan, magandang hapon sa inyo. Magandang hapon. Team, ayun hapon. Nice to see you. Okay. We are celebrating Philippine Independence Day. So as we celebrate this Independence Day, how do you both perceive the significance of freedom in your roles as public figures and artists? And how do you think the spirit of independence influences your writing work and interactions with your own peers? Pinaghandaan ko to. Ayan. How do you think the spirit of independence influences your creative work and interactions with your audience?
Independence is very important for any line of work because it doesn't just gives you freedom to not to do whatever you want, but it gives you freedom to explore and show who you really are without boxing yourself too much. And when it comes to what was the first question?
Bisaya, please.
independence and creativity. Body of work.
When it comes to work, we're one of, I would say we're also very lucky country because we have so much freedom to say what we want to say and do what we want to do. And I think it transcends in all our art in each language, especially on art and entertainment industry. You can't really express like this kind of movies, this kind of films, this kind of scenes, and really show what you want to say without being able to move people or without
Ako naman, independence and how I inspire other people and how do I show it dito sa showbiz world. Siguro, masaya tayo that we have parang ang Philippines kasi is a democratic country where freedom of speech, kahit anong pwede natin gawin, huwag natin tayo makasakit ng kahit sino. Physically. Pero, sobrang colorful ng showbiz world. And then, yung individuality namin is very colorful. As malaya kaming gawin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin, malaya kaming pumili ng kahit anong project na gusto namin gawin, sayaw na gusto namin gawin, lahat. So, independence is very important, and then dapat alam din natin yung self-worth natin, and we have also to be careful din na, kasi syempre nasa public figure kami, showbiz world, so maraming nakatingin or nakatingala. So, cautious din kami sa mga pinag-uusapan para makapag-inspire din kami in a good way sa ibang tao.
To add one more thing, I think with independence also comes the freedom to explore and find what you really want. Parang minsan kasi pag masyado tayong nakahon or wala tayong independence or freedom to move and explore what you want to do. Parang hindi mo alam kung